Greetings, productive programmer. So in this project walkthrough, you are going to be building this chat application that you see here on the screen now. And this project walkthrough is going to build on all of the fundamental skills that you have taken up to this point in the course. So if you went through the free version of this Phoenix LiveView fundamentals course, that will have prepared you for this point. And alternatively, you probably can do project one on its own, but I think that I break down and explain the concepts better prior to this project walkthrough. I talk about some of the concepts a little bit slower in the fundamentals that lead up to this point. So in this one, though, you will get a solidified moment where everything that you've learned before gets used in an actual application. So it helps solidify the concepts. And there are additional concepts and features that we will demonstrate in this version of the project walkthrough that you have not seen before in the previous videos. So you will learn a lot as you go through this. It'll be really fun. And you will also utilize Tailwind UI to do a lot of the application user interface to take advantage of the new feature that 1.7 has, which is where Tailwind is directly built into Phoenix. So to emphasize that point, we use Tailwind UI to build some of the components. Now, if you don't want to use Tailwind UI, you can't access it, or you prefer to just skip that section, you have a couple of options, which I'll talk about in the Tailwind section where I talk about the paths for this course. So it's labeled Tailwind. It's 4.5 Tailwind CSS paths for this course. And I talk about how you can either just watch the videos and grab the boilerplate code after, or if you want to just take the boilerplate code and hop back into this project where it says back to coding in 4.11. So at 4.11, I will have a back to coding where you can just start coding again and just use the boilerplate code that is provided to you. So you have a lot of options, so don't feel like you need to use the Tailwind CSS if you don't want to. If you just want to watch the videos, or if you just want to skip past them, you have that as your option as well. So you can either skip that section or you can do the videos straight through. But there are a couple videos that you'll want to watch before the Tailwind section where we'll set up our home page and our topic page. And yeah, so just jump into this project walkthrough and have a lot of fun. I think that you're really going to enjoy this and you're going to learn a lot through the process. And I think that it's a really good opportunity to highlight all of the benefits that you've learned up to this point in the course. So jump on in there and I'll see you in the course.